What's going on, people? Back with a bang. TWP here to bring you guys another video today. So first of all, I just want to shout out the Discord. I want to say all of you have been killing it recently. First of all, Atoti, as a beginner, this is incredible. For those of you who don't know or you can't see, she flipped $21 to $161, $46 to $132, $116 to $716, and $118 to $252. That's all in her first week. So huge shout out, major shout out to you, because that is pretty incredible. Now, all of those new people who are not subscribed to the Discord, make sure you come and tap in with us, come and join in with us. As you can see, we're doing great things. But I just want to show you this ExxonMobil call. So we got $116 calls, and as you can see, we've flipped around $500 to over $2,700, and all just by swing trading. So that's 440% returns. And I've shown you before, you don't have to be in an office sitting down, none of that. You can do this from your bed, as you've seen me doing today. So, I was up over $1,000, almost $1,050 before 7 a.m. Not bad. But yeah, again, just want to shout out the Discord. The gains in there recently have been incredible. So let's keep doing what we're doing. If you guys are not in a Discord, as I said, go subscribe. If you haven't got a stock option starter pack and you don't know about options trading, go grab that as well. But I appreciate all of you who tuned in. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment as well for more. We're going to keep doing our thing. We're going to keep smashing the markets. But once again, thank you guys for just being amazing and continuing to grow. Let's keep going. Let's keep going higher and keep smashing these markets.